Hi guys, welcome along to another video. It's only going to be a short one today because I didn't film much of it, to be fair, but I'm just fitting some more titanium to the front of the Evo. So I'm going to be shifting out this old silver bumper release kit and replacing it with this burnt titanium one from JD Customs. It's going to look a whole lot better. That old silver stuff has just got to go. Yeah, so while I was there, I did end up polishing everything on the front of the car, pretty much. The power brace, the intercooler pipes, and a couple of other bits and pieces, just to freshen it up. I probably haven't done that for a year or more, so it's worth doing. So here they are, all fitted on, and yeah, looking fantastic. Just another little bit to bring the car up to where I want it to be. Anyway, appreciate you watching. Thanks as always, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.